today's same vocabulary countries. Exercise number 1. Listen and read. Match from 1 till 6 with pictures from A till F. Hi, my name is Lucas, and this is a poster of my favorite basketball player. He is from the United States. 1 is F. The second. Hello, I'm Jeremy. These are my friends, Vendula and Dana. They are from the Czech Republic. 2 is D. The third. Hi, I'm Yerjan and I'm 10 years old. I'm from Astana. It's the capital of Kazakhstan. 3 is A. 4. Hello, my name is Ivan and this is my friend Yetis. We are from Istanbul in Turkey. 4 is C. Number 5. Hi, I'm Clara. I'm 11 and I'm from Sao Paulo in Brazil. It's a very big city. 5 is B. 6. Hello, my name is Katie and I'm from Budapest. It's the capital of Hungary. 6 is E. Exercise number 2. Match the countries to the capitals. Write sentences, then listen and check your answers. For example, Prague is the capital of the Czech Republic. Екінші жаттығуда елдер мен астаналарын сәйкестендіру керек болады. Мысалы, Прага Чехия Республикасының астанасы. Астанаға кестені дәл осылай сәйкестендіру керек. Brasilia is the capital of Brazil. Astana is the capital of Kazakhstan. Moscow is the capital of Russia. Washington is the capital of the United States. Ankara is the capital of Turkey. London is the capital of Great Britain. Tokyo is the capital of Japan.